Hello everyone, myself Aarti Parme and today I would like to talk about the pharmacovigilance subject for the daily task video, and my topic is the pharmacovigilance overview. So the first upon the what is pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance it is an science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of the adverse effect and other drug related problem. Pharmacovigilance is the branch of pharmacoepidemiology, and epidemiology means to ensure the promote and safety of the patient health care, safety and public health and safety. So pharmacovigilance ensure that the systemic rational use and uh, promote the various diseases. Then Pharmacovigilance. The main history of the pharmacovigilance is the thalidomide disaster. It is thalidomide disaster. It is established in the 1950s to 1960s. That the um, that time this history produced the phocomelia disease to the pregnant woman. That is pregnant women take the thalidomide drugs for the morning sickness, that is a nausea, but that effects on the bird child, that is the most most harmful impact is the um, miscarriages of the pregnant woman, and the children has been no hands or legs, or it become a short hands or legs. Then the uh, vaccine pharmacovigilance, it is an science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding and communication of adverse effect and other drug related problem. Also communication and immunization related to the issues and the prevention of the untoward effects of the vaccine or immunization. Then the concept of the day zero, that is the initial receipt date or awareness of the date, that original date original date on which the company or employees or affiliates partners were first aware of the case report satisfying the minimum valid criteria is termed as the day zero. Then minimum criteria for reporting, that is an identifiable patient and identifiable reporting sources, then at least one adverse event. Then adverse event it is an untoward medical occurrence which may or may not be due to the suspect drug. Then adverse drug reaction, it is an untoward unintended responses to the investigational medicinal product related to the any dose administered. Then adverse drug reaction has six types. First type is the type A, augmented, dose related and predictable. Type B, bizarre, that is a dose independent and unpredictable. Type C, chronic, that is a dose related and time related. Type D, that is a delay, time related. Type E, end of the use, withdrawal. And type F, failure, that is a failure of the drugs. Type G, that is a genotoxicity. And type H, that is a hemostasis. Then the unexpected adverse drug reaction, uh, it is an untoward reaction of the medicinal product which is previously unknown and not mentioned in the investigation brochure or the product of the summary product characteristics. uh, serious adverse event, that is result in the life threatening, requires hospitalization or prolongation of existing hospitalization, then results in persistence or significant disability, incapacity and congenital anomaly or the birth. Then the severe adverse event, it describes the intensity of the specific event that involve the mild, moderate, severe. Mild While no need of the hospitalization, moderate at least 1 day need the hospitalization, and severe admit in the hospital. Then a spontaneous report. It is an unsolicited communication by the regulatory authorities. It is an unorganized data. Then literature. It is an review article which may or may not be the published. Then a solicited report. It is a organized data. Uh, Information including adverse drug reports, receive results of patient support programs. Then the HCP healthcare professional, medically qualified person. Then marketing authorization holder MAH, the company that regulatory permission for manufacture and market of the medicine product to the particular region. Then ICSR individual case safety report. It consists of the logging of reception of the case, validation and duplicate check, logging of the case, then the trials, data entry, quality review, medical review. Then uh, it is a report of an each instant of the suspected confirm adverse event. Then the consumer consumer, a person who is not a healthcare professional, such as patient, lawyer, friend, or patient related anyone. Then the suspect drug, any drug which may potentially be included in the etiology of the adverse event. Then non-suspect drug is the concomitant medications. Then the past drug which were completed prior to the start of the treatment with the suspect drug. Then medical history, screen we apply screen to need to the list. Then drug dependence is a medical or psychological phenomenon making a repeated use of the drug compuls- compulsive of the compulsive to the drug long time at a high dose. Then withdrawal syndrome, uh, mental and physical manifestation taking after the cessation and reduction of the to make of the drug. Then ICH stands for the individual case safety. ICH international organized ICH ICH International Conference on Harmonization for Technical Requirements for the Pharmaceutical Human Use. Uh, it provides the uh, one technique for the patient safety. It included four guidelines, that is a QSEM, quality, safety, efficacy, and multidisciplinary. But in pharmacovigilance, one guideline is important, that is a safety. Then uh, drug dependence, drug abuse. It is the misuse of the drugs. Then the IBD, international birth date, the the date of the first of the medicinal product, medi- marketing authorization holder, that of the medicinal product holding granted to the medicinal product characterized by. Then the two types of reporting, that is a voluntary and mandatory. Voluntary is required for the medwatch form 3500 and medwatch form 3500B. And then mandatory is the compulsory, it is responsible for the medwatch form 3500B. Then the causality assessment is the causal relationship between the adverse event and the suspect drug. Then the assessment of the case that involve the PSUR, periodic safety update report. PBRER, that is a period, periodic benefit risk event. uh, then PADR is the uh, periodic adverse drug event reaction. Then so thank you.